had to take it off. Good morning, guys. I've been up for a while just doing some things. It's this time. It's 10:51 and I was sitting on the couch. I was about to film a video because Elijah's playing with his toys, and then he comes up to me and he says, "Mommy, can you get me my Lego man out of the drain?" I said, "What drain?" He said, in the bathroom. So let me show you guys something. Do you guys see that? You see him chilling down there? I really wish that I could talk to you guys right now. Somebody needs to tell me how to get this out of my drain before G gets home, and I don't have much time. Oh my god. Okay, so I got this paintbrush. Like, I don't know why, but he's so lucky he didn't go like. Alright, so I have this. This toy is probably gonna be broken. Oh my god, like I can't. Oh my god. No, it's not that. Crap. Almost got it. Of course this has to be on a day that G is coming home early. Like, I'm getting it, but it's sliding off because it's a freaking Lego head. You can't be doing this crap when you own the house. If a piece falls off, then we're done. I don't even know if you can see it anymore. Oh my god, it looks so dark. Oh, there it goes. I'm gonna try to get this out, and I had stuff to do. I will update you guys when I get it out. Guys, so excuse what I'm about to show you because it's a little gross, but I was trying to get it out and I pushed it down further and it was in the freaking water. So I got this headlamp light and I had to take it off the pipe. Look. Like, this is the culprit. This is what, that all came out. That's pretty gross. I'm gonna try to clean that. But look, this is what was in there. Really? Do you guys, oh, look. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it back on. I'm gonna tell G because obviously he watches my videos, so he's gonna see, but at least I, you know, got it off and I didn't break it. Because I do not know my strength sometimes. So, we're getting real personal right now, I feel like. So, oh, that is gross. Like, how do you clean this out? Like, hot water? I turned off the water too, by the way. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys. So, you know, if your kid ever does this, it's really easy. It's really not that bad. Okay. That looks like a lion. But it's not. The only thing is that it was hard to get this back one off. You have to use a tool. This one I unscrewed with my hands. They're plastic, so you gotta be careful because it could break. You turn off the water first. That's the first thing. Or else it'll be just like on TV when you have water squirting everywhere. I did that. I don't want to do it too tight because again, it's plastic. You don't want to break it. Put a bowl here because there's still water in this tube that's gonna come out. So now I can turn the water back on. Okay. Now with the bowl still there, I'm gonna test. Make sure nothing's coming out. None's leaking. Oop. I can feel it. I don't feel any water coming out. Oh snap, okay. I lied, water's coming out. Alright, I just probably didn't put the back one on good. Okay, so that's what it is. At the back, you have to like, this one just screws right into this. This one has to meet up to this and then screw in. So, no water's coming out, you guys can see. One more test. Sorry, could have did this the whole time. Yeah, it's not leaking at all. Thank Jesus. I need a whole new shower because I was stressing and I was like hustling, trying to get it done, but also trying not to break it because I know sometimes like I don't know my strength and I do break shit. So I was just like, I don't want to break anything. That was like a scary moment. I have sweat on my forehead. You can see it right there. I want to listen to Elijah tell me how and why this little man was in my drain. That's what I want to know. I want to show you guys my mess. Look at this. I tried to get a hanger and I tried to get a hanger and then it broke, and then I was trying to do something like bend it and it broke. I had 2 knives, then the knife got stuck. It was a mess. See, that's part of the hanger. I know when G gets home, like, and I tell him, he's still gonna be pissed, but he might be like not so pissed if I tell him that, like, you know, I did look it up. I didn't just, but I knew I had to take it off. I just didn't know how.
Tell you something. So I was just in the bathroom, cleaning my hands, just playing with the guy. So then the water going slow. I was like, what? I don't know why. But then I took up it, and then like the guy went, like, then the water.
Oh, you took out the stopper?
Yeah.
And then the guy just started swimming down there?
No, it went like, it was like.
And what did you do? Because this happened last night, right?
No, it happened like at the other morning.
Oh, yesterday morning?
Yeah.
Oh, so he's been in my sink since yesterday morning. A whole day.
Whole days. Okay.
So can you explain why you waited so long to tell me?
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay now, but I want to know why you waited so long to tell me.
So I just tell you the rest of it.
Okay.
So I was like, oh snap. And I put my hand in there, but I couldn't grab it.
Why not?
It was so down because my little finger, my big fingers couldn't fit.
Oh, okay. Your little big fingers?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was like, what? Oh. Now I have to tell mommy. And then I went to tell you, but it was night, and then we went to bed, and then another day I wanted to tell you. That's the end.
Well, thank you for telling me finally. Don't ever let it happen again. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay guys, look at this. I got my Michael Jackson curl coming down. I'm using some new hair stuff that my mom gave me. It's by Diva Curl, and I wanted to try out their stuff, so we'll see how my hair dries. Anyway, G is home, and I told him that something happened, but I didn't tell him like what I did. So I'm gonna record his reaction. He was like, it better not be. He was like, you must have did something bad. We were like arguing, and I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna argue with you because I was like, I need you to be in a good mood. Hi, my love. You got your mad face on already. Like, I didn't even tell you nothing. Okay.
Your hair actually looks
longer, right?
Hey, look. What's up?
Okay, come have a seat.
I'm going upstairs.
No.
Why you want me to come have a seat?
Everybody's dying to see your reaction.
Reaction for what?
So what happened?
What happened?
Okay. So.
Gosh.
You know I love you, right? Look, I got you a Gatorade.
Why you open it?
Because I shook it.
You don't open my shit.
Okay. You like my Michael Jackson curl?
Yeah.
Okay.
I put something in this shit.
No. So I love you. Okay. Did you notice anything? Anything today when you were at work? See, I thought he was gonna notice that part, so I could have got away with this. So.
At work?
Yeah, because like, okay, so you'll understand when I tell you. So what had happened was.
Can you hurry up? I'm trying to go back.
Stop. Stop. So.
Why are you so close?
Let me have this talk with you.
Alright, I'm done.
Listen,
I'm about to be out.
Listen. So, you know, Elijah and I both love you very much, right? And like, we love our house, right? And we try really hard to take care of it, right?
What did you do?
So, I can't look at you right now. No, it's nothing over there. So,
where's it at?
Don't look at the camera. So,
where's it at? What did you break? What did you break?
Listen, let me finish. So Elijah came up to me, right? I was on the couch writing my list. And Elijah came up to me and said, Mommy, could you get my Lego man out the drain? And I said, what drain? And he said, the sink. So like, I went over there and it was in the drain, right? Why you got your serious mad face on? It's okay. It's okay, because let me finish. So, I tried to get it out with a bunch of different utensils, and then it fell lower. So I took the pipe off and I got it out. The end. I should have waited till you had like a beer or something. It's all fixed. It's not broken. It's not leaking. Because I am handy girl Tasia and I took care of it. And I love you.
Which bathroom?
And at work, I said, did you notice anything? Because I had to go in the garage to get a tool. So I just trashed away because that was going to be my excuse for going in the garage if it didn't work out. But he didn't say nothing, so I was like, okay. So but I fixed it. What? I fixed it. Wait, babe, it's okay.
What the hell is this?
I was going to use that to get it out.
Where's the other piece?
I broke it. It was a hanger. Babe, listen.
Move. Get that out of here.
Babe, I fixed it.
Much, yo.
I'm not playing. I fixed it. It wasn't fixed. It's leaking. Is that plumber tape?
It's gripping tape. It'll help the teeth get into the grip.
Oh, so you think that's what the problem is? Because the pipe's not cracked.
Pipe better not be cracked.
It's not. Because I cleaned
You
it.
don't know your strength, so you probably manhandled it.
Didn't I tell you guys that he was going to say that? I know sometimes, like, I don't know my strength, and I do break shit. Do you still love me?
And days that end with Y.
And I get a B for trying?
Get an E for effort.
I should at least get a B. Good thing we have those tools, huh?
Get out of my face. Your son.
Yeah, I thought I was saving his life. Because I'm pretty sure if he had told you, that's why he didn't say anything probably.
It just happened, what, yesterday?
Yeah, but he didn't tell me till today. He legit told me at 11. And I had it fixed. Thought I had it fixed. At 11:33. So it took me 30 minutes. Well, you know, give or take.
After you watched the video, I was like, okay. Wait. Okay. Wait.
I was stressing. No,
Okay.
that was easy because I knew it had to come off once it fell on the freaking thing. First it was stuck up there and I tried everything to get it out. And it was slipping because it was a little Lego man.
Hey guys. So look what invention I made. Blast dredger. These are to ease handles help it like not explode. It checks them.
So we're outside because it's a nice day. And Elijah is playing with sidewalk chalk that my mom gave him.
Hey Daddy, want to make something? You said you wanted green. You said you wanted green to make something.
The thing that I
Put
make
your
with chalk
foot down.
is a hopscotch.
You think?
Put on there, don't knock on our door.
What are those?
Go away.
What are you doing? What is that? Is that a G?
It's a G and a T.
Oh.
Dad, can I have the green one for a minute? I'm
Look,
making,
don't put them on your shirt. Poise.
I'm making a rainbow sundae.
Okay.
Rainbow. I'm making a rainbow.
You hear those cicadas?
Oh, wait, what's that? And
Oh,
that's
it's not
her.
your phone.